Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing OnePlus Watch 3 and Oppo Watch X2. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both watches come with an IP68 rating. Display features. They offer 1.5 inches LTPO AMOLED display. When it comes to the hardware features, they offer the same hardware features. Next, compare the battery features. These two devices come with up to 5 days of battery life. Let's compare the connectivity features. Next, compare the sensor features. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe.